Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial we will see how can you change your battery in Verizon Fios BBU. So here's a guide to replace backup battery and reset the alarm. To replace the battery, follow the below steps. Firstly, unplug the BBU from the wall outlet. Step 2, open the battery compartment by removing the cover. Step 3. Disconnect the red, that's the plus, and black minus battery wires from the old battery. Step 4. Remove the old battery from the compartment. Step 5. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal on the new battery. Step 6. Place the new battery into the compartment and secure it. Step 7. Close the battery cover. Step 8. Plug the BBU back into the wall outlet. If the BBU is still beeping, press and hold the alarm silence button for 5 to 10 seconds to mute the alarm for up to 24 hours. If the warning remains after installing a new battery, you can reset the BBU by holding the alarm silence button for about 10 seconds until it beeps and restarts. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.